Do you feel busy or stressed out, or that there's just not enough hours in the day to get everything done? Modern life can be very hectic, with work and family commitments, endless emails, and constant messages coming through on our phones. When things get too much for us, we sometimes forget to pay enough attention to looking after ourselves, and we may eat and drink too much and not get enough exercise. If this goes on for too long, it can have an impact on our health. In particular, it can lead to high blood pressure. This can be a real problem because high blood pressure or hypertension is a risk factor for stroke and other heart diseases that play a role in about 1 in 5 deaths worldwide. For people with high blood pressure, usually the best thing they can do to help themselves is to make changes to their lifestyle, like reducing the amount of salt they eat, or getting active, or drinking less alcohol, and eating a healthy diet rich in fruit and vegetables. And these lifestyle modifications often work as well as or better than taking blood pressure drugs. It may seem a little strange, but one other healthcare option that some people turn to when they have high blood pressure is chiropractic care. This may be because of a study that reported some quite startling results that was published in the Journal of Human Hypertension and gained quite a lot of exposure in the press when it was published. In this study, researchers did a randomized control trial with 50 patients with early-stage high blood pressure. Half of them received specific chiropractic care that focused on the top of their neck for 8 weeks, and the other half received sham care or pretend chiropractic care. The researchers were interested in seeing whether the group that received real chiropractic care had a significant reduction in blood pressure compared to the control group. After 8 weeks, the patients that received the real chiropractic care showed a significant drop in blood pressure compared to those that received pretend chiropractic care. The average decrease in blood pressure for the real adjustment group was an extraordinarily 17 millimeters of mercury for the systolic blood pressure and 10 millimeters of mercury for the diastolic blood pressure. This improvement in blood pressure is similar to what happens when 2 different blood pressure drugs are given together. So this study got some remarkable results. But like all studies, it has its limitations. For example, it studied an uncommon type of chiropractic technique that was provided by only a single chiropractor. It was also unclear how sound the methods of the study were, and follow-up studies have failed to find the same results. So research reviews point out that more good quality research is needed to be done to better understand the effects of different types of chiropractic techniques and whether they really have an impact on blood pressure or not. But this single study does suggest that for some people with hypertension, it appears that some types of chiropractic care may help them to better control their blood pressure. Remember that the chiropractor isn't directly trying to treat the blood pressure. Instead, they are trying to improve spinal function with the aim of improving your brain's ability to regulate what's going on in your body. And for some people, this may influence their blood pressure. So if you're feeling stressed out or overbusy or aren't looking after yourself as well as you could, then take some steps towards living a healthier lifestyle and get your spine checked by a chiropractor so you can function at your best.